Great news, coming to us a new smartphone from the Ulefone brand. They're already a well-known commodity and the family of these phones are quite extensive. Recently, it got yet another member with the unveiling of the latest Ulefone Armor 8. And the elegant phone is available even in the 3 different color variants: black, red and orange. And in global pre-sales it also priced only $139. Ulefone Armor 8 has some pretty exceptional features, spearheaded of course by all the rugged qualities and certifications. On top of that, it has MediaTek Helio P60 octa-core processor with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. It sports a compact 6.1-inch display with a waterproof screen, a 60MP triple rear camera system including a 5MP macro lens, 8MP selfie camera, 5580 mAh massive battery with 15W fast charging, and it runs on the latest Android 10 OS. It also supports face recognition paired with the fingerprint sensor for quick unlocking, GPS, GLONASS, Galileo triple navigation system, wide frequency bands, and much more. I must also can't forget to mention the presence of NFC chip, enabling Google Pay and other contactless payments. Global pre-sales are already up on the Banggood eShop and come with a fantastic price of $139. Pre-sale event has a limited time, so make sure to grab one because it's available only on August 30th. This rugged monster can be perfect phone for your summer adventures. The official links are below the video. Click on them and reward yourself with the new Ulefone Armor 8 smartphone. You have my recommendation for this great brand. That would be all for today. Stay with us and see you soon with the new video. Bye.